Hey there people, welcome to Tuesday Newsday on Mr. Unbox. This here is Sexy Cyborg. And the reason why I'm using her as clickbait for this video is that her friend has just developed a camera specifically for vloggers. Let's have a look at it. For the next month you can back this camera on Kickstarter. The price is $350. And for that you will be one of the first to receive it. The camera has exchangeable lenses. It comes with two lenses, one with a 90 degrees field of view and one with a 150 degrees field of view. It also has a built-in gimbal to give you nice steady shots even if you're walking and talking for your vlog. This is a sample of how it looks when the camera is mounted on top of a drone. By putting it on top of the drone you get a completely different view than you would get otherwise. Most drones have a bottom mounted camera, so by mounting this on the top you can look upwards while you are flying. And here we see Sexy Cyborg walking in the streets of Hong Kong, I think it is, with the camera. And they're talking about her wearing high heels and that's why she walks a little strange. And even with this walk, this camera manages to give some very nice steady shots. The camera also comes with a beauty light, a ring light that attaches on the front of the lens. And as you can see here, it turns on instantly when it's mounted on the camera. It's hard to see how bright it is, and maybe this hasn't been finalized yet. It is, after all, a Kickstarter project that is still being funded. Anyway, that's it for this very short Tuesday Newsday. Don't forget to give us a like, hit us with a comment, and go and back this camera if you are a vlogger or if you see any other use for this camera. I think it looks incredible. Until next time, stay frosty people, and see ya!